How Elon Musk wants to increase human capabilities with technology. Human augmentation is the process of enhancing natural abilities using technology. This can mean improving physical strength, senses, or even cognitive skills. Welcome to Tectonic, where science doesn't just explain the world, it shakes it up. One company at the forefront of this movement is Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk. Neuralink's main focus is developing implantable brain-machine interfaces. These are small devices designed to connect the human brain directly to computers. The goal is to enable seamless communication between our brains and external technology. Currently, Neuralink's primary applications are medical. The company aims to help people with neurological disorders. For example, conditions like paralysis, Parkinson's disease, or severe spinal injuries. By using these brain implants, Neuralink hopes to restore lost abilities. This could allow patients to control prosthetic limbs, use digital devices, or communicate more easily. The technology works by detecting electrical signals in the brain. Tiny threads, thinner than a human hair, are implanted into specific brain regions. These threads pick up neural activity and transmit the data to a small device placed behind the ear. From there, the data is sent wirelessly to computers or smartphones. A key aim of Neuralink is to make brain-computer communication faster and more accurate. Today, even advanced assistive devices can be slow or limited. Neuralink's system is designed to increase the amount of information exchanged between the brain and machines. This could lead to more natural control of gadgets, or even enable new ways to interact with the digital world. In the future, Neuralink suggests that this technology might expand cognitive abilities. This could mean storing memories, accessing information instantly, or even communicating thoughts directly. However, right now, the focus remains on medical applications and safety. It's important to note that Neuralink's devices are still in the early stages of development. Human trials have only just begun, and much testing remains before wide adoption is possible. The company works closely with regulators and medical experts to ensure safety and effectiveness. As technology progresses, human augmentation through brain-machine interfaces could become more common. Neuralink's work is part of a broader effort to connect biology with technology, offering new solutions for medical challenges, and potentially expanding what humans can achieve. Neuralink represents a step toward merging biology and technology to expand what humans can do. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. See you next time.